Hello, friend people and strangers, I guess, because I don't think anyone watching this isn't my friend, but if you are a stranger, hello. My name is Daniel. I guess the first thing you can tell is that I'm not wearing my glasses. That's because when I get home, I just take them off and I put them somewhere. Don't have a proper camera yet because I haven't gotten around to purchasing one because, like, hmm. Strung up behind me is a blue Snuggie. I originally put it up there as like a sort of a joke, and I was going to have it be like a blue screen, and then I was going to have the background be like a beach somewhere, and I was going to be like, ha ha ha, look, I'm on a beach. That didn't work because I forgot that I don't have that software on my computer, and I'm really lazy, and I don't want to actually install that software because I'm kind of sleepy. We decided to not penalize Kayla, as it were, for uploading her video late on whatever day that was when she was supposed to upload it, because we can't think of a punishment or penalization. When you guys were first talking about, let's do this whole vlog thing to keep in touch, I thought of it because, A, I hate forms of instant communication because I like being able to think about my responses and because taking the whole public speaking class this semester, which is why I'm wearing these medals, because the topic of my speech, we're supposed to bring in an object that is about us, and I'm going to bring in my National Latin Exam medals and talk about how Latin is something important in my life because I love foreign languages, and that thought got away from me. Huh. Anyway, probably would be a good idea to, do these sorts of things because it's kind of like giving a speech, and then my thoughts won't get away from me. Oh yeah, school's been okay because, in humanities class we had a quiz and I got all the answers on it correct because it's totally easy, and I got a smiley face on that. And then in German we had a quiz and I got all the answers on that correct, and it's really easy. And I got a smiley face on that. I think we're going to be getting a lot of smiley faces. It's kind of weird in college. You don't think you would get many smiley faces. Test in German today. It was really easy. Again, because foreign languages are like that for me, I guess. There's only one question I couldn't get right because I didn't actually read the text because I thought I don't need to read this because it's just the introductory chapter. Bonus points questions correct on that quiz, so I don't have to worry about that one point. Oh, and today I was assigned like all these online activity thingies, and like it's kind of awkward doing the online partner work without a partner because no one else is logged on doing their homework. So I just kind of modified my responses to the questions because I was talking to myself. I guess I could say anyway, off some miles for the next video sometime.